Rose.
Alright, ready? Alright, start na. Central has the ball. First shot, no good. Rebound by Central. Number 08, Navarro. Number 13, Tuvira. No good. Offensive rebound, Navarro. Still no good. Another offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Offensive. Number 05, 40 attempt. Naghanap ng papasahan. Ipinasa sa ilalim. Still no good. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Central. Number 08, Navarro. Kapos. Okay, this time. Oh, save ball po tayo. Save ball. Running. Oh, running. Ayo, running time yan. Okay, 14 seconds shot clock. Number 08. 14. Navarro. Yes, good. Good work. Running time. 24 seconds shot clock. Malasas the ball. Looking for her teammates. Intercepted by Navarro. So Central asset. Nandyan ang number 05. No good. Another offensive rebound. Navarro. Yes, 2 points for Navarro. Four-point lead. Our score 4-0. 24 seconds shot clock. Alright. Countdown begins for the shot clock. Number 1 has the ball. Almost losing the ball. The game possession. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Ipinasa sa number 26. Number 26 trying to attempt. But still being guarded by Navarro. Nakalusot. Airball. Shot clock. Okay. Balik. Malas ball.
Yan na your bag.
14 seconds shot.
In the bag with the unicorn.
11, 10, 9, 8 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds, 6 seconds to shoot. Okay. Pass it. Pass another. Number 05 for the Central. No good. Live ball. Malas.
What yan? What's the I cannot understand?
24 seconds. Shot clock.
Ay, baba!
Alright. Nagawan sa bola. Nagapik. Same ball. Fourteen seconds shot clock. Malas. Waiting. Pinilapit ang bola. Ang galing ang gwardiya ng Central. Di makatira. Special ba? Okay. Shot clock violation. Turnover. Substitution. Number 01. In. 4-0. That's our score. Oh, bumaba. Okay, our score is still at 4-0 for the first half of this battle for third place. Number 05, Pastor Labaro for 3 points, no good. Rebound by Malas. It's a traveling violation. Shot clock, 24 seconds again. Central for the rebound. Number 08, Lavaro, the key player of Central. Another attempt, no good. Offensive rebound, Central number 13, no good. Rebound by Malas. Traveling violation again. Turnover. Central score. 24 seconds at clock. Okay, Lavaro. Naagaw ang bola ni Dali. Nagmamadali. Itinira. No good. Rebound by number 05 of Central. Itinaba ang bola. Dire-diretso. Isa door-to-door move by number 05. Yes, 2 points. 6-0. That's our score for the first half. And remaining 13 minutes and 20 seconds. Malas ball. Hindi pa nakaka-score ang Malas. Malas ball. Mahigpit ang gwardiya ng Central. Paso number 08. Number 08 being guarded by 2 Central players. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Dali, 5 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Foul before the shot clock. Minutes and 35 seconds. Okay. Basketball game. Malas for the inbound. Pass to Dali, number 3. One-on-one situation this time. Number 13. 5 seconds shot clock. 4, 3, 2. Okay, rebound by Central. A pass break over there to number 05. Number 05, inilapit ang bola. No good. Rebound by Malas. Number 08 losing the ball. Number 08 has... And that was a foul committed against number... Number 06 foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 05 trying to attempt for a shot. Nakalusot, short. Agawan sa bola. So it's Malas ball. At the remaining 11 minutes and 24 seconds. Shot clock. Our score still at 6-0 in favor of Central. Number 3, Dali pass to her teammate. Tumira, air ball, agawan sa bola, nakuha ng number 18 of Central. Pass break again, this time to number 05. Number 05 for the drive, no good. Last touch. Jump ball, who's ball? Same ball po tayo. 48 seconds, shot clock. Number 9, number 05. Nakuha ang bola ng Malas. Malas bring it down to the ball under Dali. Dali, sabay na naglalakad. Okay, Dali over there. Being guarded by number 08. 8 seconds shot clock. Nakagaw ang bola. But there was a foul. Foul number substitution. Janet Lin. Time remaining 10 minutes and 11 seconds. Complete those. Been awarded to number 3, Dali of Malas. Okay, good luck, Chairman. May laro pala ito sa kabila. Okay, 14 seconds shot clock. Alright. Rebound by number 8 of Central. Central bringing down the ball. Number 18, I mean. Sorry. Number 18, dire-diretso. Number 18, Tumira. Tapos. Ball goes to Malas. Malas team. 24 seconds
Black
shot clock.
may video.
Time remaining 9 minutes and 45 seconds in our first half. Still, Malas team as unable to score. Malas, this might be the first score. Number 08, Tumira. Tapos, another foul over there. Three team fouls. Central. Number 13, 3 personal fouls. Three. That's the first score of Malas. Timeout, Central. Number 05. Number 05. As a inside pass. Number 18. Yes, using the board for 2. Our score 8-1. 7-point lead. Central. Malas for the rebound. Malas number 1 being guarded by number 1 also. Naghahanap ng mabatuhan. Matindi ang depensa. 5 seconds shot clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 9. First. Fourth, team foul. Central. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws have been awarded to number 08 Malas. First throw. Yes. Oh, good shot. Last throw by number 08 of Malas. Still 2 for 2 for number 08. Our score 8-3. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Central. Number 05 as the ladder. Number 05 looking for a image. Number 05 ipinasa Tumira. No good. Offensive rebound number 13. Tumira din. Overshoot. Rebound by Malas. Malas. Bringing down the wall. Pass to Dali. Dali. That's another foul. That's another ball. Three pa lang yan. 8-3. Yan. Number, penalty. Penalty. Central penalty. Substitution. Wait, Labaro, wait for the last throw before you enter. Counted ang first throw, so it will be 8-4. Okay, last throw. All right. 8-4. 4-point lead, Central. Number 18. Nakuha ng Moran, nakuha ng Dali. Dali. Dire-diretso. No good. Same ball. Substitution. Labaro 80. Number 9 out. How many minutes? 7 minutes and 21 seconds. Dali for the inbound for Malas team. Number 25 has the ball. Number 25 inilapit. Oh. Still, number 08. Nag-attempt, agawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Dali. Number 3. Shot clock, 7. Okay. 24. Dire-diretso. Labaro. Ibinasa. Number 05. Number 05. The good number 18 is there for the rescue. Alright, 2 points. 10-5. 5-point lead. Central. I'm remaining 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Malas for the inbound. Pass to number 08. Number 08 to be discarded, turning around. Mahusay ang gwardiya. Pinasa ulit kay Dali. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, buzzer. Shot clock violation. Turnover. Central's ball. Pass to number 08. Labaro. The fastest player of Central. Labaro for the attempt. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 18 of Central. Pass to number 13. Number 13 for the attempt. Yes! Nothing but net from number 13. What a nice shot over there. The 12-5. That's our score. 7-point lead this time. Central. I'm remaining 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Malas for the inbound. Pass to Dali again. Cell clock 21. A steal by number 08 of Labaro. There was a foul given up. Duty foul by number 3, Dali. First personal foul, Dali. First team foul. Second team foul, Malas. Number 05. Inilapit ang bola. Tumira. Short. Rebound by number 1 of Malas. Ayan na. Naglalakad. Okay, Malas. A foul has been given up by Labaro. Penalty. Foul. 2 free throws for number 1. Number 1, first try, no good. Last throw by number 1 of Malas. Number 1, still no good. 0 out of 2. Still no good. Rebound by Navarro. Navarro, ayaw ipasa muna. Pinasa kay number 05. Number 05, no good. Question rebound, Navarro, still no good. What a big rebound there by Dali. Dali, just walking. Don't like to run. Dali, tumira sa 3-point area. No good. Rebound by Central. Central, number 05. Number 05, dire-diretso. Still no good. Okay, so rebound, number 05. Number 05, ipinasa sa number 18. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Dali of Manas. Ayan na naman. Walking. Ayaw itakbo ang bola. Relax lang tayo. Laro natin. No? Okay. 7 seconds. No good. Ibabay Central. Number 05 is there waiting. Number 05. Ayan na. Number 05. Yes! 2 points for number 05. Time out! Malas. Malas. Pass back to Dali. Dali number 3. Walking also. Inside pass. Number 17. Number 17, tumira, no good. Rebound. A big rebound there by number 18. Another pass break. Sa kanilang naghihintay ng kakampi, number 05. Navarro, no good. Save ball. Central. Substitution. Navarro, no good. Rebound by Dali. Rebound there by Dali. Ayan,
But you have to close again.
apat sila. Natagawalas. Number 17, inilapit. Foul. Penalty. Number 18. First personal foul. Number 18. Penalty. 2 free throws have been awarded to number 17. Okay, one more try by the VP of Malas chapter. No good. Offensive rebound. Lucky rebound there by number 18 at 16. I mean 16. Ayan, nilalapit ang bola. Nakaupugan. It's an offensive foul. Offensive foul. 2 seconds for the first half. Navarro, no good. Offensive rebound, number 13, another one. Still no good. Unlucky shot for the Dali for the rebound. Pass break for number 16. Inside pass, a post. What a big rebound there by Central. But there was a traveling violation. Malas ball. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Malas ball. Pass to Dali, number 3. Dali, tinatago ang bola. Tinasa sa kakampi. Tumira. Patay ang puti. Number 05 again. Number 05. Diretso. No good. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Number 05. Tumira. Yes. 2 points. 16-5, 13-point lead, Central. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds. Central on top by 13 points. Okay, seconds to play. So it's 15-5, 10-point lead. Dali, yes. Nice shot there from Dali. Jersey number 3 of Malas. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Central. Our score 15-7. 8-point lead, Central. 48 seconds remaining in this first half. Number 08. Pass to number 13. Number 13, dribbling the ball to Mira. No good. Big rebound there by number 05. Number 13, meron na agaw ang bola ng Almalas players under Dali. Dali has the ladder. Pass, inside pass to number 08, to Mira, air ball. Same ball po tayo. Palas ball. 13 seconds remaining. 13 seconds remaining. Oh, wala na po tayong shot clock. It's 13 seconds remaining for the first half. Number 3. Number 3, inilapit ng bola. No good. Rebound there by number 13. Traveling violation. 4 seconds remaining. Malas for the inbound. Number 3. Dari, 1 second. Decide. Counted over. It was a buzzer beater over there by Malas for women. Malas for the inbound. Paso number 08. Number 08, inilapit ang bola, tumira. No good, using the ball. Offensive rebound, Manas. Manas, tumira, air ball. Another offensive rebound by Manas. Number 3, it's connects this time. So, 15-11, baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Central. Central for the inbound. 15-11. Number 08. No good. Rebound by number 18. Another try. Yes. 2 points for number 18. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Central. 17-11. Alas for rebound, pass on number 08. Number 08, inilapit ang bola. Ebony guarded the number, nakalusot. But it was an air ball. Number 3 as the ladder. Number 3, Dali, tumira, no good. Rebound by the fastest player of Central, number 08. Dire-diretso. It's a door-to-door move by number 08. No good. Same ball. Central's ball. 17-11. 6-point lead, Central. Central for the inbound. Shot clock, 13 seconds, 12, 11, 24 seconds. Still. Rebound by Malas. Malas has the ball. Dali, pass to her teammate, number 16. Number 16, inilapit ang bola. Yes! Score. 13-16. 3-point lead. Central for the second half. The final half of this ball game. 15-13. That's our score. 4-point lead, Central. Number 13. No good. Offensive rebound, number 9. Nilabas ang bola. Dumidiskarte. Almost losing the ball. There was a foul by number 08. First team foul. Thirteen Central, number 08. Number 08, no good. Rebound by Central, Dali, pass to number 08. Quick pass. To her teammate, number 16. Yes, using the board for 2. O, dalawa na lang po ang lamang ng Central, 17-15. Just a shot lead by Central. Okay, Central for rebound. Pass to number 08. Number 08. Tumira. No good. Offensive rebound. Still no good. Another offensive rebound by number 08. Number 08. Another drive. Still air ball. Nice rebound there by Malas. Number 08. Malas tinggal din by number 01. Number 08, nakalusot. Ipinasa sa konti, number 16, number 16. Ayan, inilalapit pa rin ang bola. Number 16. Nice defense ang pinapakita ng Central. Hindi makatira ang Malas. Shot clock, 5 seconds. Shot clock, 4, 3, 2. Error. Shot clock violation. Central's ball. Alright, 17-15, 2-point lead, Central. Time remaining, 16 minutes. Okay, time out daw. Up, na-release na po ang bola. Malas number 16. Number 16, inilapit ang bola. Number 08, pinasa. Number 08, bilis pa rin, tumira short. Ang gawan sa bola. Rebound pa rin ng Malas. Tumira, short pa rin. A big rebound there by the fastest player of Central. Pass to number 05. Number 05, ipinasa ulit sa number 18. No good. Rebound by Malas. Malas. Binabawa ang bola. Pinasa sa number 18. Almost losing the ball. Ang bilis ng Central. Number 01. Pinasa number 05.
Alam ko si shoot dun eh.
Number 05. Dire-diretso. Pinasa sa number 18. Losing the ball. Turnover. Turnover. Central and Sulimanya. No good. Number 18, Central, so number 05. Number 05, itinira. Short. Rebound by Dali. Tapikan ng bola. Ayan. Central's ball. Malapit na po ang matapos ang ating basketball women. Battle for third place. Standby po ang ating susunod na mga manlalaro para sa semifinal ng basketball men between Sulimanya and Central. Our score, 19-15, 4-point lead, Central. Time remaining, 14 minutes or 30 minutes and 58 seconds. At sa kabila yun. Okay, Dali has the ball. Oh, shot clock. 13 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9. Tumira si Dali. No good. Rebound by Central. Under number 08. Number 08, pass to the waiting 05. Number 05, tumira. No good. Nakuha pa rin ang bola ng Central. But there was a foul. Pushing foul. Sila lang siya. Central.
Why don't bring me the bag?
Okay. Hindi tumama. Tuloy po ang ating shot clock. No good. Nagawan sa wala. Nakuha ng malas. Malas. Foul number 18. First personal foul, number 18. Central, first team foul. Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 08 of Central. Ayan, ang bilis. Ayan na, Central. 2 against 1. Central, ayaw ipasa. Ipinasa sa kanyang kakampi. Tumira, yes, 2 points for Central. 21-3. 6-point lead. Dali has the ball. Number 3. Dali. Nilapit, tumira. Block. But nakuha na number 25. No good. There's another one. 11 seconds shot clock. 10, 9, 8. There was a foul. Foul against number 8. Two personal fouls, number 8.
Sa'yo na lang yan.
Wala kayong terminate, sabi ko wala.
Good shot by number 3 for the first row. Baba sa 5. Lamang ng Central. Last row. Last row, Dali. No good. 1 out of 2. A big rebound there by number 08 of Central. Central. Ayan. Offensive foul number 08. It was an offensive foul. Okay. Malas for the rebound.
Taman yung pek-pek ng guys.
Pass to number 08. Number 08. Looking for a page. Inilapit. Block. Dali is there. Dali. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Umira. Wala. Turnover. Central score. 21-16. Our score 5-point lead. Central. Central. Number 8 nakawala. Tumira, yes. What a nice shot there by number 08. Tama ba? 23-17. That's our score.
Di ba nung nanonood tayo sa rin nagparami?
Okay, malas for the rebound. Pass to number 3. Number 3, Dali. Pag-diskarte. Relax na relax kung maglaro. Si Dali. Tumira. No good. Okay, so rebound number 8. That was a foul. Huh? Warning for Central. 4 lang daw po ang player. 5, itong mga 5. Kompleto po. But ano? What's the violation?
Sabi na sabi. Kasi ano, di ba, play na eh. Nagsabi lang siya na sabi na play na eh.
Foul on the act of shooting, so 2 free throws have been awarded for number 08 of Malas. First row, yes. Good. Baba sa 5, kalabang ng Central. Last row. Last row by number 08. Short. Agawan sa bola. Number 18 has the ball. So bola ng Central. Time out. Alright, number 08. Skate number 13, tumira, no good. Hindi tumama sa ring, but a rebound there by Malas. Number 16, inilalapit ang bola, tumira, no good. Same ball. Malas ball. Time remaining 9 minutes and 58 seconds. Malas for rebound, number 3. Dali tumira. No good. Offensive rebound, sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Deep. Mark. Ipinasa na number 16. It was a traveling violation. One step too many. Turnover. Bola ng Central.
Pwede ka ng ano, subscribe sa lahat. Kailangan mauna yung dribble.
Number 13 for the rebound. Pass to number 08. Number 08 of Central. Number 08. Pass to number 13. Na libre. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Dali of number 3 ng Malas. But there was an error over there. So turnover. 9 minutes, 16 seconds. Alright. Central for rebound. Number 13. Pass to number 08. Number 08. Nakalusot. Number 08. Tumira. No good. Rebound by. At that's another offensive rebound. Number 08 again. Overshoot. Turnover. Malas ball. Time remaining 8 minutes, 46 seconds. Malas for the ball. Number 16. Wala tayo. Alright. Nakuha ng number 8. A foul has been given up by Malas. Who's foul, rep? Rebound. Pass to number 8. Number 8. The key player of Central. Number 8. Then to number 18. Libre. No good. Rebound by Dali. Pass to number 08. Number 08. Ayaw ipasa ang bola. Guarded by number 01. Number 08, heavily guarded by number 01. Hindi makapulma. 9 seconds shot clock. 7, 6. Tumira, but there was a foul. Foul against number 8, Labaro. Number 8, 4 personal fouls. Warning for conclusion.
Yung number 8.
3 team fouls for Central.
Pwede, bakit gusto niya kapit pa niya? Hindi, pa-picture lang kasi magaling daw eh.
First row, no good. Last row by number 08. Of Malas. Yes, 1 out of 2 by number 8. Baba sa 4 ang labang ng Central. 23-19. 4-point lead Central. Time remaining 7. Number 05 na libre. Tumira yan. What a nice shot there by number 5. Just in the nick of time. 25-19. 6-point lead. Central.
Galit eh.
Malas for a rebound. Pass to number 3. Dali. Dali, turning around. Repeat diskarte. Inilalap na bola. Hindi makatira. Tumira pa rin. No good. Rebound by Central, but there was a violation. Line ball. Line ball violation, so it will be Malas ball. 24 seconds at half. 14 seconds at half. Tumira, yes, and collects. So 21. Baba sa 4 ang labang ng Central. 25-21. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. For rebound. Pass to Levaro. Levaro nakawala. Tumira. No good. Napitan ng bola sa kanya pa rin. Almost losing the ball. But another attempt. No good. Offensive rebound number 18. A rebound there by Central. Malas, number 3, Malas. Pass to number 08. Number 08, Malas being guarded by number 05. Number 08, nakawala, tumira, no good. Rebound by the big lady of Central, number 18. Pass to number 5. Number 5, ayan na, tumira. No good. Rebound by Malas.
Ay, ni Vice.
Pass
Pati
to
si Vice?
number 3. Number 3 of
Kasi
Malas.
siya magbabayad.
Siya magbabayad sa kanya.
Siya singilin mo siya.
Tumira, short. Agawan sa bola. Jumbo. Malas ball. Malas ball. Our time remaining 10 24 seconds. Malas for rebound. Malas. Inside pass. Number 08. Shot clock. Or line ball violation. Time remaining 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Central. Central. Pass to number 05. Number 05. Inilapit ang bola. Tumira. Short. Offensive rebound. Central using the ball for 2. 27-21. 6-point lead. Central.
Ikaw katinignan o si Jason?
Malas. Pernah ball. Pass to Dali. Number 3. Number 3. Being guarded by the big lady over there.
Sila may sila depensa yun. Kabila wala.
Dali, hindi makadiskarte. Number 3, mahusay ang guardian ng and number 3, Tumira. Yes, using the glass. 2 points. Baba sa 4. Ang labang ng Central. 27-20, 35 seconds remaining for the final half of this battle for third place. Number 05, nice shot by number 05, nice perimeter shot. So 29-23, 6-point lead, Central. Pulling down. Not counted on violation. Okay, it's a violation, so we have a turnover. Central. 3 minutes remaining. 29-23. 6-point lead, Central. Number 5, Gaspar, inilapit ang bola. Tumira.
Kanina eh.
No good. Rebound by Dali of number 3 ng Malasting. Big pass to number 8, De Pablo. Number 8, bringing down the ball. Number 8, inilalapit. Tumira. Hindi makatira. Tumira na nga. Ayan. No good. Offensive rebound, number 8. Number 8. Another try. Still no good. A big rebound by the fastest player of Central, number 08, 2 against 1. Pass to number 05, Nalibre. Another one. Hindi pa rin. Pass off. Nakuha na ng malas ang bola. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Number 16. Yes, using the ball for 2. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Yan ako yung last 2 minutes.
Dapat 25 yun.
Score.
Okay, let me finish this one.
29-25, 4-point lead. Central, time remaining 1 minute and 57 seconds. Ayan na, nilalapit ang bola ng malas player. Ipinasa kay Dalit, tumira, no good. Another offensive rebound, number 08 of Malas. Number 8, inside pass to number 3. Dalit, tumira, yes, 2 points. Number 3 ng Malas. 2-point lead, 29-20. Still anybody's ball game. 29-27. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining for the final half of this battle for third place. Number 5, Gaspar. Gaspar tumira. Elbow. Turnover. 29-27. Last 1 minute.